We are Goodwool. We protect your automotive passion in the best and most unique way. Our custom shells generally take 8 to 12 weeks to deliver, as they're entirely custom made. But why wait so long when you can offer it with the Goodwool Gift Box? Once you open it, you'll find a custom digital render of your own custom car shell. In addition, the gift box includes our beautiful Goodwool Kit, consisting of our brochure, our poster, and a fabric sample. For those who cannot wait to present the actual car shell itself, we offer a prestigious large shell box for a perfect present under the Christmas tree.